this video, we are going to solve the question. The bar chart shows number of seats won by 4 political parties in a state legislative assembly. Which of the following pie charts correctly depicts this information? And we are given 4 pie charts. Here, we are given a bar chart showing the number of seats won by 4 political parties in a state legislative assembly. The total number of seats is equal to 50 plus 35 plus 20 plus 35, which is equal to 140. Here, we have to note that 50 seats won by Party 1 does not mean that Party 1 has won half of the seats because the total is not 100. Thus, it is convenient to analyze the data after tabulating, and this is our tabular column. Here we can see that for Party 1, the seats won is 50 and the total seats is 50 divided by total number of seats, that is 140 into 100, which is approximately equal to 36%. For Party 2, the number of seats won is 35 and the total seats is 35 divided by 140 into 100, which is approximately equal to 25%. Similarly, for Party 3, the total seats is approximately equal to 14% and for Party 4, the total seats is approximately equal to 25%. From the tabular column, we can see that Party 2 and Party 4 wins 25% of the total seats. Also, we know that in a pie chart, 25% means quarter of the whole circle. Since Party 2 and Party 4 wins 25% of the total seats, this means that the correct answer option has exactly 2 quarter circles in its pie chart. And these are our 4 answer options. From this, we can see that only option B has exactly 2 quarter circles in its pie chart. So, the correct answer to the question is option B. Also, there is a quick solution to this question. Here, in the given bar chart, there are exactly 2 bars of equal length, that is 35 seats each, that is for Party 2 and Party 4, the 2 bars are of equal length. Consequently, we can say that the corresponding pie chart there should be exactly 2 equal portions. And analyzing the options, we can clearly say that only option B has exactly 2 equal portions. So, the correct answer is option B.